I think you will finish in about 1 minute. So after I finish recording, I can
Mommy, see.
send to grandma. Hey, later, you do your work. And later I will upload to my station. I will show you.
Is it 1 minute?
Yeah, and people will interact with your performance.
We need to quickly.
Now it's 36 seconds, 38 seconds, 41 seconds, 43 seconds. Oh, this is a treasure. Interesting. Hey, who bought this Legos? 奶奶买。OK， 奶奶买。
这个上面还有螺丝。
螺丝？
好了。
哇 ，finished done already.
很快。
Hey, why they are separate? This is why they are separate. What's this?
这个是。
Are they supposed to be one finish together? This is not.
Mommy, see.
Okay, I will show you.